Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Durango RT. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in granite, looks great. That hood looks very cool as well. You do have the Dodge badging up front with your projector-style headlights right there and your parking sensors right down there. Coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with our Bridgestone brand tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors back here with your turning signals. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have that RT badging, as well as the Dodge and the Durango. You got your backup camera, and you also have your parking sensors back here. It is an automatic open. You just got to press the button. Opens right up for us. Now back here, there's lots of room. You can open up this guy, and there is some storage just underneath there as well. You can fold these seats forward too. Just pull that guy, fold them down like that, and then you got even more room. You can do the same with the other side as well. And the button right here is to close it back up. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 pressed to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. Don't have to go outside in the cold. Now it also has proximity keyless entry, so if it is locked, all you gotta do is have the key on your person, put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. You do have your mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You do have a little bit of chrome accenting up here, handle here, seat memory, and some storage down here. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable, very nice. You do have electric seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you press them in, you got your fog lights and your in-cabin light control here. Right up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, keys are in the cup holder, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, which is 26,000, not too bad at all. We also have our range and which way we're facing. We can switch that around to our vehicle info. We also have our fuel economy, trip A and B. You got your audio, your stored messages. You also have your screen setup and back to your speedometer. Now that is control from right here with your voice recognition, Bluetooth options down here. You got some paddle shifters back here, looking great. Horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you do have a volume up and down button with a source changer in the center, and you have a channel changer on the other side. In the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. Looks great. So you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, or either of your USB plugins. You got your climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your Uconnect apps here. You have your controls over your heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, headrest fold, backup camera, and your options. You also have your navigation here. If you hit view map, you can see we are in rec place, as well as you have your phone options right there. Right down here, we do have the control over the volume up and down, mute. You have your hazard light, screen off, browser there. You also have your AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off auto, front and rear defrost, park sensors. You also have your eco and sport mode, as well as you do have your traction control. When you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe right there. And then down here we do have some aux cord plug-in, as well as our USB cup holders here. Right here, control over the all-wheel auto, as well as the low. You have a little bit of storage here. You got a top layer for your armrest and a bottom layer there. Then over here we do have a locking glove box. Looking great. You do also have the controls over your sunroof here, universal garage door opener, and your lights with a sunglass holder. And there is our sunroof, looking fantastic. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Open this guy up. On the door you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle. Handle here, you got your control over your windows, handle or some storage down there. Looks great back here, same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold this guy down and you do have some armrests and some cup holders. You can also fold this down just like this. Then you have access to the back. Looks great back there. It does seat 7 people all together. You do have some cup holders. And then back up front here, we do also have some USB plugins, as well as our seat warmers. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Dodge Durango RT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.